Imagine this, it's your exam day. You open the question paper and suddenly the questions feel unfamiliar. Your mind goes blank. Panic starts. You're feeling tensed, right? But now imagine the opposite. You sit confidently in the exam hall because you have already practiced in the same exam like environment multiple times using the new mock test paper portal by the ICAI. Now this feels more confident, right? That's exactly what we are going to cover today. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through the new mock test paper portal and I'll show you a detailed demo on how to use it smartly and how to turn practice into marks. So let's get started. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more CA exam related guidance, strategies and motivation. So this is the home page of the mock test registration portal. So here you can see this option, student login. So just click on this. So if you have already registered, you will have to just write your SRO number here and then you will have to click on send OTP. Then you will receive an OTP on your mobile and then you will have to just enter the OTP and you will be able to log in into this portal. However, if you have not yet registered, just click on register now. So for registering in this portal, you will have to just enter your registration number here and then your date of birth and just you have to click on submit and you will get registered. Simple, right? So once you log in into this portal, on the landing page, you will see 4 options. So let's see the options one by one and I'll show you the demo also. So the first option is applying for the mock test papers. So you will have to click on apply for mock test. That time the list of the ICAI regional office or branch office conducting the mock test papers will appear on your screen. So here we can see the different branches and the different city names are appearing here. So out of this, whichever is near your residence, you can select that. In this action column, you will have to click this and then you will have to select. So suppose you want to select this Ajmer branch of CIRC of ICAI. So just click on this. So you can see here the number of seats available also. And then you have to just click on apply now. So this way you will be able to apply for the mock test. So once you select your venue and then once you click apply now, you will be able to see the list of the mock test, that is the different subjects and the dates on which the subjects will be conducted. So for whichever exam you want to apply, just select that here and then you will have to click on apply. So here you can see total seats available, how much is the fee for the mock test and the name of the paper you can see here, date of the paper. So just click on this. Suppose you want to appear for foundation mock test paper series 1, paper 1 accounting. Just select here and make the payment of ₹100. So once you make the payment, you will be successfully registered for the mock test paper. So the second option that you can see on this portal landing page is registered mock test. So once you have applied for the mock test, in this registered mock test, you will be able to see all the papers that you have registered for. So after you have registered successfully for the mock test paper, you can see that under the registered mock test tab. So once you click on that, you will be able to see all the mock tests that you have registered for. And then there is an option here, acknowledgement slip. So you will just have to click on this download button and then the slip will get downloaded in your system. And don't forget to carry this to the mock test venue when you go for the mock test. And also ensure you follow the instructions given on this acknowledgement slip. So the third option that you can see in this portal landing page is questions and answers. So you will be able to download the mock test paper questions and answers also from here. So here you can see for each of the subjects, series 1, series 2, there is an option here to download the question paper, and also after 24 hours the ICAI will host the answers as well. So you can download the answers also from here itself. So in case you do not want to go to the branch physically to give the mock test paper, you can attempt it from your home itself by downloading the questions from here and attempting it in exam-like condition. And after 24 hours, you can download the answers from here and you can compare your answers with the ICAI answers and you can analyze what errors you have done. So the next option that you can see on the landing page is view result. So once you have gone to the center physically and appeared for the mock test paper, after some time you will be able to view the result from this portal itself. So here you can see when you click on the view result tab, for whichever mock test you have appeared physically in the ICAI branch, the results of that will be available here. So you will have to just click on this download button and you can download your results also.
The link of the new MTP portal is given in the description below. You can access it from there.
So this is a great initiative by the ICAI, right, which will help you to give all the mock test paper from this portal itself, and you can download your results also from this portal. So the entire mock test has been centralized through this portal. So next time you walk into your exam hall, you won't feel nervous or confused because it won't feel like your first time. You will remember all those mock tests you have practiced on the portal by the ICAI, the mistakes you corrected, the confidence you built. So that's the power of smart preparation. If this demo helped you, don't forget to like the video and also share it with your friends who are appearing for the CA exams. And also subscribe to my channel for more practical CA exam strategies, tips and guidance. So your result day success story starts now. All the best for your preparation and I will see you all in the next video.